Welcome to Hot Tech Cars. Today I'm working on my MGB Roadster and I'm specifically going to be cleaning up the ashtray. It's in a bit of a sorry state and a bit rusty, and at some point I think this was chrome and it's been painted black and it has gone a bit rusty. I can buy these new for about €40 delivered, but I want to try and save a few bob and clean it up, so I'm going to get a Dremel in here and just remove the worst of the rust, and for the lid I'm going to sand it with about 300 grit, working my way back up to about 2000 grit. I'm struggling a little bit to get in here, so I'm just going to do this by hand and move on to 800 grit. Now we are getting there. That is 800 grit, so I'm going to go up to 1500 and I'll finish off then at 2000. Now that's the final product. I'll give it a quick go of autosol, but you can see I've got quite a nice mirrored finish in that. I could go at it for longer and get a better finish, but I'm quite happy with that. It's a big improvement on what was there. You can see the inside came up quite well as well, much less rust in there. I just used a Dremel and a brass head to get in there. Pretty happy. Here is the final piece in situ. That looks pretty snazzy.